Трам-пам-там, трам-пам-пам. 1,2460. Okay, we are waiting for like a minute and we start again. Hi guys, hello, I'm in work. We get some news in 8 minutes. These are news from Great Britain pound, from England. For Great Britain pound, they are good. That is why now we will go through the Great Britain pound in the beginning. Okay, yep. I hear information that we are online. I hope that you hear me, that the picture is okay. And here we go, the technical situation for Great Britain pound. Yeah, I'm online for many hours already. I work and yeah, okay. Well, we found some really good target to sell to. That was 120, 123, 123.30, 70 pips above current price. So now we have 124.10 and price has been really fast. I'm not sure that a lot of you will be online right now. I will ask my my support to give me chat. So I will hear and read your questions. Okay, what do we do in the beginning of trading day or in the middle of trading day when we don't know what to do? We go to events in our calendar and we go through information, statistical information that we need to know about. The good volatility for the market today is for Great Britain pound, because we have news about house price index from Halifax. Those are news for April. Hi, yeah, okay. So yeah, these are news for April, and that gives us volatility right now. You see a good shot from the bottom side. I go and show you chart. Oh, no, I go to chart, yeah. You see it here. And here is somewhere the phone. And what we see here, in my video for traders, for a trading club in Russia and worldwide for English people, English speaking people, I did mention that here is some level 123, 123.15 that we are going to use on 1 hour chart as an entry point to sell if price breaks it down. But now what we see a really good way up from this area. Where is our target to go up, and where we can go and search for a moment to sell from is somewhere like here. It may be really high, 124.70. So if you see price going up now, it does not mean that it may fall down right now. You can see this resistance and think that it's okay to sell right now, but only on 1 hour chart. If 1 hour chart or 15-minute chart will be closed under 124 and you see the pressure from this top side and the shadow from the top side, you can start to sell from here. But be careful that price may break this level of resistance, this tendency line 124, and go up to 124.70. I'm waiting for chat so I can see what you write to me. Yeah, here we got the link. Thank you very much. Thank you. Well, I wait. Hi, hello, good morning, good afternoon. Hi, everyone. Okay, good. I'm glad to see you guys. Thank you very much. Okay, I hope you do trade Great Britain pound, but you are being a really careful trader. And the levels that I would like you to pay attention to are 124, and you can see that it was a good level. We did trade it with my trading club pro. We did trade 124 level, and for now it is okay to trade 124, 124.70. You can see actually on 1 hour chart a RSI going up and thinking, well, that was the signal. Maybe guys, maybe, but what I use for RSI is only 4 hour chart. This is something that I share with you, that what I do. But it does not mean right now that price is giving us a signal to buy, and I'm still thinking about a position to sell Great Britain pound to target 122.60. It's not something like I sell right now, but on 15-minute chart, I will follow these levels and will go through information to try to find a entry point and sell to 122.70 and 60. What do you think about it? Write down if you are going to sell Great Britain pound. We get news in 3 minutes. I will go through different currencies. Let's take, for example, Great Britain pound with Japanese yen. And what we have here, a beautiful technical situation. Here is a range that we used to trade, and we saw the breakdown. Price went right to the middle of this range. That is something that I showed you in our previous video, guys. I hope you do trade it. And I show you this picture on 4-hour chart. This means you can use it with a 15-minute chart, you can use it with a 1-hour chart, but use my levels, please. Just follow them, keep your eye on these levels. They work from day to day, from year to year. Same technical picture, same technical movements, but it works for me and it will work for you as well. For now, I did show you levels 130.90 and 129.40. So if you see the breakdown of this level 130.90, you sell with the target 129.40. Now we go to 1-hour chart. 2 minutes to go. Price will jump again. We go to 1-hour chart, and what we do, we make this tendency line. And what we see now, the price is breaking this tendency line on 1-hour chart. But if this hour comes under the tendency line again, this will be a cool moment to sell Great Britain pound with Japanese yen. But only if you see price going under this tendency line. After that, you sell. What may happen as well, you may see price jumping up to 132.30, 132.40 right here. And if you see price turning down from here, you see the rebound, so you also may sell from here. I am not going to search for long positions now. I'm only looking for short positions. Well, that's my tactic, that's my trading system. What I do, if I decided that I am waiting for some bottom level, I will try to enter market with the short positions. Not following market from like minute to minute. If it goes up, I jump up. I do trade intraday on 1-minute chart, but that's sometimes when I need to earn money quickly, and I do it when I see opportunity. It's not something like I do it all the time. Okay, for 1-hour chart, I did show the Great Britain pound with Japanese yen. About the Great Britain pound with the Canadian dollar, you also see the rebound from technical support. Look, here's the, I hope you see it like this. Yes, you do. Here's the tendency line from March 20th, the tendency line. We took one price, we took second price, we draw this tendency line, it's an easy one. After that, we see what we see. We see the rebound that could give you 100 pips, well, 1,000 pips if you trade with the fifth sign after the dot. So, and today, this is the moment when market touched this level and went up again, almost 100 pips. What I'm waiting for, I'm waiting for the market to give this breakdown, and after that we will be able to sell up to 172.30. Why I do wait for this currency pair to go down is because of this picture. Look here. Great Britain pound with the Canadian dollar. This is something that I'm waiting for to be realized. Not like I'm waiting and I only go through this chart and oh, here is still no signal. Sometimes I see that there is no signal and I go to another chart, but for now I'm waiting for some signal. Sometimes I trade intraday this currency pair, like today I'm waiting for this level of support 174 to be broken, and after that it will be okay to sell with the target 170. But keep in your mind this technical situation. If I'm wrong and price not going here, price will not go here, whatever, it goes up. What we do, check this situation. You copy previous range, you paste previous range, and after you see the breakdown of this level of resistance, you go with your long positions up to 187.88, and after that 197. So that is something that we are going to wait for. Okay, yes, and here is actually price trying to give us an opportunity to sell Great Britain pound. Okay, so yeah, for Great Britain part of the Canadian dollar, here is the picture that I think is okay to use, but on weekly chart. What do you usually trade? Do you trade intraday? Hello, hi. What RSI setting do you use for 4 hours? Period 14. I used 4-day daily and not experienced with intraday RSI. Look, I use 4-hour chart in a range and indicator RSI. It's not like I hold it all the time online. When I see range on 4-hour chart, I put it under the graph under the chart, and well, I get signals from there. I'm waiting for some level of resistance, for some level of support, and when RSI helps me to enter market, well, this is a good technical situation to trade. Yeah. Okay, that's in my pocket. That is something in my pocket. So yeah, I hope it will help you as well, guys. Period 14. What do you use for RSI for daily period? Well, actually, I'm open to hear everyone, and I'm really glad when someone like professional trader comes to this channel and shares ideas with me, because usually people are, let's say, like greedy. Does it mean greedy? Well, they're all sitting in their own tradings and like, I'm the smartest person. I will never tell anyone what's going on because I know what to do, and all you will not understand me. I'm trying to share what I do understand, and I do understand a lot, and what I do works for me. Well, if it works for me, it might work for you as well. You don't have to trade like every minute or every hour, or opening notebook and laptop and say like, well, I'm here, so I have to trade something. No, you don't have. You just have to take some levels. That's what I do, like for people, for my trading club in Russia, in worldwide. I do make analysis work, and I give you some technical pictures, technical moments, entry points, these turning points, and what you have to do is just open your laptop or telephone and check, is the price there? No, it's not yet. Okay, you check later, is the price there? No, it's not there yet. When the price comes to that level that I told you to, you just follow for the market to give you the turning point intraday. You see the market is touching this level, so you go in and trade. Okay, you don't trade because, well, it's like 6 p.m. so I have to trade or something like that. Yeah, and that is what I'm actually doing. What works for me, I share it. I know that I don't trade every minute. I see that here is nothing happening for market, and I will come back in like 15 minutes. I will come back in 1 hour and check what happened, and can I enter some market, some currency pair, or I can't. Okay, any opportunity to sell crude? Let's go to crude. Thank you very much for asking me. We go through Brent, okay? We go through Brent, and after that I show you WTI. That is something that I went through this morning, and I'm really glad that my technical picture works again. Seriously, it works all the time. What you have to do is like to be really strong inside of you to make the right deal. Not to hold position because everyone tells you to hold, but to see these technical moments and to enter it, even if you don't believe it in the beginning, but do enter it. What happens here for Brent? Well, yesterday for my trading club, I made this exclusive video for a Fibonacci instrument, and for Brent WTI, I showed this tendency line, and like the moment when we break it, after that we have a target to sell to. Where? To next tendency line. If you see the breakdown of one tendency, and your risk is that price will try to retest the broken tendency line. So yeah, we had the breakdown, we had the retest, and price went down. What will happen now? An entry point to buy Brent is around 28.50, 28.60. If price goes here, touch this tendency line, gives a rebound, and you buy it with the target 33.37. Second chance, you see price going down, and you see the breakdown of this tendency line. What is your target? To sell with the target 26.30, 26.20. That's what I see for Brent oil. Now I will show you WTI, and I go through chart again with the target 22 or 20. Yeah, I just discussed with you, like not 22, not that Please remember about this tendency line on WTI, on Brent. Remember about this tendency line, okay? Now I will show you WTI and what we see here. Yeah, I think you see it. What we had in the beginning of week, we had the price breaking the level 20.30, going to our target 22. After we see the breakdown of this target 22, price went up to 20.565. If you see the breakdown of that level of resistance, price will go up to 31. Be ready for that. If you see the breakdown of this green tendency line, you see this one, green tendency line, your opportunity to sell, first one, 20.30, right here. You can work actually with a 200 moving average on 1 hour chart, and if you see the breakdown of this tendency line, after that you can sell with the target 20.30. After that, your target to sell will be 17.40. I don't think this is a good moment to buy and hold or sell and hold something. Well, actually, what I think is okay to buy and hold is like BTC, yeah, Bitcoin, but for other instruments, for currencies, what I have to do every day, open position, close it, open position, close it. What I hold now is Euro-Japanese yen, but I'm not sure this is a really good idea, and I think I might close it as well if it will break up 115 point, because I sold when it was 115.90 and my target is 113. Well, I'm in a good profit now, but I have more to go, and there are some new entry points actually for Euro-Japanese yen. If they break the tendency and they break the level 115, I think I will quit those positions. But if they do not break 115, I think I might make my positions stronger and sell more with the target 113. Well, yeah, I just share with you what I hold for now and what I do work intraday. Well, about the WTI, we need to wait for this situation to be solved. If you see the breakdown and price is not going above this area, you see, this is a super good price, 24.20, because market gave you it as a level of resistance. After that, you saw it as a level of support, and now it's level of resistance again. So yeah, if price has been under 24.20, so it's okay to sell with the targets that we discussed before. Now I go to what happened to gold with the target. Gold, please. Okay, let's go to gold. We go to gold and we will change our picture again. Mr. I don't see, actually this is really far. Mr. who asked about gold, it's not one Mr, a lot of Misters. Guys, go through my videos in dynamic, please. I would like you to go through my videos all the time to check what's going on, what I think about the market, because something that we discussed in last video, it works right now, and that was level 1690, and it works. What we discussed was this range level of support 1670 and level of resistance 1735. So yeah, when you have this level 1690 and it works now, if price has been under this level, so you keep selling with the target 1670, 1664, something like to this area. I'm not sure about how far price will go. While price is under this level, it's okay to go down. When you sell, you can actually wait for the price to break this tendency, so go under 1684 if you work for 15-minute chart or 5-minute chart. If you work for 1 hour chart, it's okay to sell even now with that stop loss 1690. You choose which chart you work, okay? What you trade. Do you trade 1 hour chart? Do you trade 15-minute chart? You have to decide for yourself to write down your rules, what you trade, where you put stop loss, where you put your target to your profit, what are your technical rules. and after that you enter market. Here are a lot, actually, here are a lot of people who will try to earn money now trading, because there are a lot of brokers who made it really easy. And here is a lot of commercial, marketing programs that say that it's so easy to earn money here, and they're all trying to push you to trade. Well, I'm trying to tell you, trade only when you do understand what you trade. If you do not understand, but your friend or a friend of your friend, someone there said that it's easy to trade, do not do that. My Russian traders, I tell them all the time, guys, it is really easy to lose all money here, like all your money, because this sometimes it comes out like gambling, and people try to trade you, and they have those red eyes, and they're all happy that they earn some money. But if you're not ready to work with yourself, to make yourself work with the rules, do not do that, seriously. I'm here only to show you some technical pictures that you can use only if you know how to trade. If you're some guy who just heard about trading and you found me and you're like, wow, she's good, she can give me some good forecast that I will earn money, and you go with all your deposit without stop losses, you will not earn money here, seriously. I'm here to show you technical picture, to tell you that you have to put stop loss, you have to have this trading system, you have to read something about trading, to learn it, to learn technical parts. Here are a lot of free information in the internet. First of all, if you want to become a doctor, you go to institute. If you want to become a driver, you go to some courses, you go to some institute, you have to learn. Here it's easy. It is easy because you don't have to say anyone that you are starting to trade, and you're so cool and you're so smart, you do it by yourself, and you make mistakes and you're unhappy about that. I'm here to explain you that you don't have to make those mistakes, okay? All those brokers worldwide, they make it easy for poor people. They make it really easy, and people take their money, like they're like $1,000, and they put it, and they're trying to make more money. Nothing comes out, and they're unhappy, they're angry. If you want to earn money here, you have to make like these rehearsals, let's say it like that. You practice all the time. I spent many hours in the nighttime, in the daytime, for different sessions, Asian session, European session, American session, following the market, following different currencies, following gold, Brent, to understand how it works. Because sometimes it's really, there are a lot of people from my trading club in Russia who write me, well, I'm trying to do like you say, but I get stop loss. And when we go into his deals, I see that he is not listening to me. He's just trying to do something, trying to trade. That is why I'm asking you, please, guys, follow my videos in dynamics, so go through them. And if I said that we need to wait for the rebound, we need to wait for the breakdown, so after that, please enter market, okay? Not before that, like it was for Great Britain pound. Look here, for my traders today in the morning, it was really far ago. In the morning, I said, after we see the breakdown of this level of support, that is something that I made a video about this. After we see this breakdown, we go into market and we sell. And you see, this is a super good entry point that market did not break. So I really found good entry point for long positions, let's say like that, yeah? But I did not sell here right away. I said, please wait before price goes under this level, and after that we sell, okay? So that is something that I'm asking you to remember and to follow. I'm here to help you, but only if you're ready to listen to me. And I do it for free right here on YouTube. You're welcome to ask questions from video to video. I will give you more information, but what I usually do, and I made it a lot for my traders, Russian-speaking traders, I give you a lot of psychological information, because this is something that you have to work with you have to sit and you have to explain yourself what you're doing here and why you're doing this, and when you stop and when you're ready to work. But this is like the dialogue that you have to go through with yourself all the time, and only after that you're okay to trade. If you listen to all the different people and the TV and like YouTube people, I trade, but there are not a lot of people who really trade. There are a lot of people who discuss trading, so you gotta be careful with that. well, I can't say that it's bad to listen to someone. It is good to listen, but only, like, I'm asking you to listen to me only as a help to your trading system. Not listen to me as some trainer who tells you sell or buy. I do give these ideas, I do give it, but I'm asking you to be your help, but not someone who's pushing you to trade, okay? I hope you will become stronger due to my ideas and due to my speeches here. Okay, thank you very much, guys. I think we have to go to work and we have to trade a little bit. I'm planning to buy USD Canadian dollar. Well, you know, about the Canadian dollar, this is a perfect currency. It's all good, but for now, look here. We have this range. This is a weekly chart. That was some technical target. You see like the maximum price. Okay, you see some range here. There is no opportunity to work with the tendency, so you have to go intraday, like for 1 hour chart, 4 hour chart. Let's go to 4 hour chart and to try to trade in range. You said that you are planning to buy with the target 142.50. If we are listening to RSI, and here's the range period. So RSI is not near the level of where you can sell from, and I think it might be okay to go as you decided to. 42.50 because of this situation, okay, right here. Nothing weird, it's good. It is really good. And also what I would ask you to follow is to follow the RSI after it goes up above the level 70. So it will be a moment like to stop, to stop and to wait for the rebound and to short positions. So you are super good. Okay. Thank you very much for sharing this idea. You're not a greedy person. You're a kind person. Yeah. Up. Also, I just made in front of you, I made this range, and what I see here is the middle part of this range, 1.4060. So here's the tendency line, and if you see the rebound on 1 hour chart from this area, this is a cool moment to buy after you see rebound, and your target 142.50. For now, technically, it's perfect. Thank you very much for telling us. Thanks. Okay. Guys, I wish you profits, and if you have questions, you write them down under the video. I'm here to explain what I see, and if we decide to make these videos more often, so we will meet each other more often. I hope this time is okay for you. Maybe this will happen like 1 hour before, but on Thursday I usually make those videos early in the morning for my trading clubs, and so I can't really go online earlier because I make all those videos. After that I trade, I make some things for me, and after that, when I have time, I can go online with you. Okay, thank you very much. So welcome to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe to YouTube channel, to Telegram channel, guys. Let's make trading as a profession for people, for all those people who are blind with the commercial that you can earn a lot of money and they don't think how many risks are there. Let's make it more understandable for them. Please, guys who trade, who are professionals, write your ideas like, yes, you need to put stop loss, yes, we need to buy from there to there under this video, because for those who are new for trading, it will be a good help. There are a lot of people who are unhappy because of losing money with the trading. They think that they will earn now a lot, and they put money a lot, and they lose because they don't know how to trade, but they're trying to do something. I'm here, and I did it for Russian-speaking people. That's why I'm here for English-speaking people. I'm here to ask those professionals, those cool guys who know how to trade, to write comments. So those new people, they see that there are professionals who know how to trade, and they share ideas for free, just in comments, just write in what they are going to trade, and all those new people will understand that they have to learn, they have to go through books, through websites, through different videos, and after that only start to trade. I hope you do understand my general idea. Yes, I do work with professionals in this Trading Club Pro. This is mine, one more area where I work with the people, but in YouTube, I hope we spread an idea of smart trading, of trading with understanding that you need to learn first, practice, and after that you earn. Thank you very much one more time, guys. I wish you profit. See you later. Thank you. Put these fingers under the video. Thanks.